So the Bunya Mountains field trip is about getting students out into the field so they can experience ecological systems firsthand, but also so that they can learn about the landscape while immersed within it. The Bunya Mountains field trip is a special field trip because it's about ecological literacy. When you first arrive at the Bunya Mountains, it appears like so many of our natural systems, but in reality, it was engineered to accommodate the festivals and the meeting place of Indigenous populations. The cultural knowledge that they gain changes their perceptions of Indigenous communities.
I think the best thing that this field trip offers is a hands-on experience, or more of a real-world experience of what an ecologist truly is. What sets it apart is the fact that we're applying theoretical and applied knowledge in a practical setting, and it gives students an opportunity to learn various ecological techniques, whether it's surveying both plants and animals and their interactions in the environment.
My favourite thing about this field trip has been the wonderful surrounds of the Bunya Mountains, how beautiful they are and how ecologically diverse and how culturally significant they are as well. So it's just a beautiful place up here.
The Bunya Mountains is very important for the fact that our people used to come up here, gather here every 3 years during the bumper bunya crop season.
Really important to sort of just start educating people. Plants, medicinal uses of them, stories behind the animals, because so much of it's been lost and people sort of turn that blind eye, oh look, I don't know. You got to reconnect.
Combining cultural knowledge with today's scientific knowledge, you know, could only benefit, you know, what you do on country, I suppose, looking after country.
The knowledge that they've gained over the course of just a couple of days is inspiring. Their language has changed. And I know that I would, if I taught that over 13 weeks with photos on a PowerPoint slide, they would never learn what they learn in those 2 to 3 days on that field trip.